Hi guys, so in today's video, my dad's going to be rating fidgets, and the first fidget will be an acupressure ring. Here.
Oh wow, this is great.
1 out of 10, what do you rate it?
I rate it about a 5.
Okay, next fidget is this poppet bracelet.
Poppet bracelet is so cool. You can even do it backwards and inside out.
Yeah.
This is like a 7.
Okay, now this flippy octopus.
Flippy octopus. Does this flippy octopus have a name?
You can name it.
How about Ted?
How about what?
Ted.
Okay.
Awesome. Ted's an 8.
Now this pastel mini glow-in-the-dark pea poppet.
Oh, this glows in the dark?
Yeah.
That's amazing. This is definitely a 9.
Okay. Now an infinity cube.
Infinity and beyond. I'm not the biggest fan of infinity cubes. This is a 7.
Now triple dimple.
Triple dimple. 7.
Okay. Now simple dimple.
Simple dimple. 7.
Snapper.
Oh, snapper's my favorite. 9.
Peanut popper. Pea popper.
Pea popper. Pea popper is definitely a 6.
Okay. Peanut popper.
Peanut popper
Yeah.
with dual faces. There's a happy face and a goofy face. This is a 10.5.
Marble and mesh.
Marble and mesh. Marble and mesh gets about a 9.
Okay. How about a zippy bracelet?
Oh, zippy bracelets. Oh, zippy bracelets. A zippy bracelet's gonna go for about a 7.
Okay. How about a tangle?
A tangle
Yeah.
is very tangly. That's how I like to have my tangles.
Okay. So what do you rate it?
Oh, 8.
Okay. What about
course.
a wacky track?
Wacky track. Wacky track is an 8 as well.
Pop tube.
You know the coolest thing about a pop tube? They're also a noise tube. Or you can spin them. A pop tube is definitely a 10.
What about this?
I can't figure out how to work this one.
So you can move it around. So, here, hold this. Don't show my face.
Oh, I got it. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. This is gonna be a 10.
Just so you know, if you have another one of these, then you can connect them.
Oh, wow.
And now, how about let's do a planet dimple?
Oh, Planet Dimple is the best. This is a 12.
Okay. And it even says the names. And then final fidget.
Big popper. Rainbow.
Giant rainbow poppet.
Giant rainbow poppet.
What do you rate it?
Oh, this has got to be a 15.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.